Hello students, welcome to Chori Maths. I'll be working on this Olympiad question and it is a very interesting one, so I would like you to learn. All right, so the question is 2 raised to power a minus 7 then minus 2 raised to power b minus 7 is equals to 63. Now you see, in this question, we are going to be using indices a lot, okay? The knowledge from indices. Now, do you know that in indices, if I have x raised to power n divided by x raised to power m is going to be x raised to power n minus m. All right? Now, since we know this could be vice versa. Hence, I can now come down to say that 2 raised to power a minus 7 is actually the same thing as saying 2 raised to power a divided by 2 raised to power 7, which is 2 raised to power a over 2 raised to power 7, which I can conclude as 2 raised to power a all over 128. Now, I'll do the same thing to the other side. 2 raised to power b minus 7 is the same thing as 2 raised to power b divided by 2 raised to power 7, which is 2 raised to power b over 2 raised to power 7, which is going to be 2 raised to power b over 128. I will now substitute back into the question so that I'm going to have 2 raised to power a all over 128 minus 2 raised to power b all over 128 is equals to 63. Now, this is 2 raised to power a minus 2 raised to power b all over 128, okay, is equals to 63. Now, on cross multiplying, I'm going to have 2 raised to power a minus 2 raised to power b is equals to 128 times 63. Now, you see, I wouldn't want to multiply because I want to use a trick here, okay, to actually simplify this question further to find the values of a and b. But there's one thing that we must agree. Since they all have the basis of 2, from what I see here, a must be greater than b for the value here to be positive, okay? It means that a must be greater than b. Now, again, it means that a can never be less than 0 or equals to 0. So a is greater than 0. And at the same time, b must be greater than 0. Okay? So since we have this knowledge, permit me to write this. Do you know that instead I can have that a should be equals to b plus c? I'm the one that introduced c. I just introduced c to show that that is the difference between a and b. Now, since I have that, I will now substitute. Substituting, this is what I'm going to have. I will have 2, instead of a, I'm going to have b plus c, then minus 2 raised to power b is equals to 128 times 63. Okay, now since I have this, just like I did from the beginning, do you know that x raised to power m times x raised to power n is the same thing as saying x raised to power m plus n? Now, if we agree from this law, then I can now possibly say that 2 raised to power b plus c will be 2 raised to power b times 2 raised to power c. Like I told you, this is vice versa, so it can go either way. All right. So this is going to be 2 raised to power b, okay, into 2 raised to power c. Now I'll substitute so that I will have 2 raised to power b into 2 raised to power c. Then of course is minus 2 raised to power b is equals to 128 times 63. Now, checking it out, you'll find out that I can factorize 2 raised to power b. So I have 2 raised to power b, okay, now into 2 raised to power c, all right, minus 1. This is what I have. It's equals to 128 times 63. So 2 raised to power b, okay, then into 2 raised to power c minus 1 is equals to 128 times 63. Now, you know, b is actually greater than c. All right? B is greater than c. B is greater than c. So we cannot conclude, or we cannot have it that this 2 raised to power b should be 128. So I have 2 raised to power b should be equals to 128. Now working it out, this is 2 raised to power b is equals to 2 raised to power 7. So as their bases are the same, we now conclude that the powers must be the same. Hence, I have my b is equals to 7. So I've gotten b. Then I will now get my c. How do I get my c? 2 raised to power c minus 1 is equals to 63. Then 2 raised to power c will be equals to 63 plus 1. So 2 raised to power c is equals to 64. So 2 raised to power c will be 2 raised to power 6. Okay, the same conclusion. So therefore, in this case, my c is equals to 6. But recall that we said a is equals to b plus c, okay, from the beginning. Hence, my a now will be equals to 7 plus 6. So a is equals to 13. So I have my two answers being a is equals to 13, then b is equals to 7. This is the solution. Now you can go ahead and check whether your answer is correct or not, or let's check whether our answer, that is the work that we've done, is correct or not. So let's check it out. So like we have it on the screen, so we are going to have 2 raised to power 13 minus 7, then minus 2 raised to power 7 minus 7. Is it going to be equal to 63? This is going to be 2 raised to power 6 minus 2 raised to power 0. So we are going to have 64 minus 1. So the answer is 63. So it means that what we've done is actually very correct. So students, thank you for being with me all through. Make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? I'm going to be showing you so many other interesting videos subsequently. Thank you so much for being here.